Development of North-Eastern Region Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia today said that the upcoming inaugural Asthalakshmi Mahotsav will bridge the cultural and economic gap between North-East India and the rest of the nation. The Asthalakshmi Mahotsav will be held from 6 to 8 December at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi, showcasing the cultural, natural and artisanal wealth of all the 8 North-East states. The minister also launched the event's mascot Purvi, a young girl representing the Northeast with elements from each state featured in her attire.
इस अष्टलक्ष्मी महोत्सव के द्वारा क्षेत्र की परंपरा हो, क्षेत्र का हस्तशिल्प हो, कारीगरी हो, संस्कृति हो, इन सभी विरासतों का समन्वय, संगम और प्रदर्शन इस 3 दिवसीय
90 trainees, including the